Hello, instructions for Excel Module 4 AutoSum Options Print Preview. So you're opening the assignment that we just completed, AutoSum Options Advanced, and we'll do the print preview for this section. So just to recap, this is the one that had complex formula 1 through 5 worksheets. We did the conditional formatting data bars in column I on complex formula 1. Complex formula 2, we use the color scales. Complex formula 3, we used the icon sets. For complex formula 4 and 5, we used where we selected all the sales January through June, not including row 14, the total, or column I, and we did the top 2 sales and the bottom 2, and the same thing for complex formula 5. So I'll go back to complex formula 1. And what I want you to do is, now that we're in complex formula 1, when you hold shift and click complex formula 5, it selects all of them, and they should all be the same color white right now. I'm going to take mine off just for a second by right-clicking ungroup, and I'm going to show you the wrong way. So this, you're going to do it the right way, but I'm just going to model what would happen if you did not use the shift to select all of them. So make sure you have the first one is selected, and you do shift and click the last one so that they're like this. And I'm going to do it wrong just to show you. So I have just one worksheet selected, not all of them. Go ahead and everyone with them all selected, choose File, Print, and make sure you actually don't have to do this part, but if you were to choose, because right now it's showing probably active worksheet, which is just the one. If you want to change it and it shows entire workbook, and it should be 10 pages because each worksheet takes up 2 pages in portrait. So right now it's 10. So what you'll do, you can change the orientation right here from portrait orientation to landscape, and it should automatically change them to 5. Mine didn't, because it's only doing the current worksheet that I was on, because I didn't select shift and module 5. So I just want to show you what happens. So yours should be 5, which is correct. Mine's only doing it for the one, because if I go to the next page, there's the second complex formula, and it's on 2 pages, and the third one, and so forth. So yours is the correct way. Mine is incorrect right now, but we're going to keep going. Scroll down until you see the page setup icon. And once you're in here, you have the page dialog box launcher. The title bar right here is where you can move it to see behind it or around it. There are 4 tabs, and the first one is the page. And it should already be landscape, so you could change your mind here again, but we already changed it from the side menu. And then click margins. And I want it, because right now the default setting is to print in the upper left corner. We want it centered horizontally across the page and vertically up and down. Then go into header footer, and we'll choose a custom header. And we want to insert the date. And then for the center section, choose Insert File Name. And for the right section, type your first name. And then click OK and OK. So it did it for my first worksheet, but it didn't do it for any of the others. Yours, it did it for all of them. And that's because you correctly used Shift and selected all of them. So it was whatever you did for print preview changes, it did it to all of them. So now I realize, oh, I never selected all 5 of them. So if I do it now and go back to File, Print, and I'm just going to click this print preview, I don't have to change anything because I already did the landscape. I already did my margins, horizontal and vertical, and I already did my header and footer. But now when I click OK, I'll see the little icon where it's adjusting everything, and now I'm down to 5. So I do have 6 pages, and I'm just going to take a peek at to see why. And it's probably the bonus one because it's extended the last one. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. So this one, total sales is fine, but if you look on page 6, bonus went onto its own. So this is a great opportunity to show you another feature. So it doesn't happen to fit because we have one extra column on this worksheet. So what you can do is go down to where it says no scaling and select fit sheet on one page. So it'll take that bonus column and fit it all on one. So now you should have 5 of 5. And then when I go back, again, I have them all selected. To remove the grouped section of Sheet tab, right-click anywhere and choose Ungroup. And then you have all your tabbed worksheets. I'll go back to the first one. When you go back to File, Print, Preview, it should be exactly 5 worksheets. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.